G'day guys, 2Aussie here again. What's cracking? I'm at a little place called Red Rooster today. I'm going to get a thing called a Legends Mega Box. So this is Australia's answer competition to KFC. So I'm just going to duck in there, grab it, and then I'll go and park somewhere and tell you a little bit about it. I'll catch you soon. Well guys, I got my Red Rooster. That's it there. It's in a bag. So this is called the Legends Mega Box. So what's in it? We've got a burger, a chicken strip, chips, gravy, and drink as well. So guys, in Australia we have, like most places, K.F.C. But Red Rooster is actually the K.F.C.'s competition. Just like you've got Macca's has Burger King, and we have Hungry Jack's here, which is McDonald's competition. So this is one of their standard burgers. Cheese, tomato, maybe not so standard, but looks pretty good. So I haven't actually tried a Red Rooster burger before, so we'll have to find out. I've got a can of Coke with it. So guys, last night I thought I'll look up what's the deal with Red Rooster, what they've got. Like, I've only been there a few times, so I don't get much. Haven't gotten much there. So they actually had quite a bit there. They have whole chickens that they'll cut up for you into 8 pieces, and you can have all that sort of thing. So quite a few boxes. There's a few other boxes I might try in the future. And they also have sweet potato chips, which I know my girlfriend Elizabeth is going to want to try. So we might do that one day. So this was $12 for this box. It's a regular size. Not sure how much the larger one was, but so far pretty good. It's a nice little lunch. Haven't had anything yet, so chips and gravy. Let's see what that's like. Of course, like KFC, everyone's got chips and gravy and all copying each other a bit, but still, that actually doesn't taste very potatoey, but it's not too bad. Quite a nice little burger. Got a chicken strip here. Should test that out before I turn the camera off to let you know. Not bad. I'm assuming that's chicken breast. It tastes pretty good. So guys, I just thought I would show you a bit of a difference in Australia. I don't know, say for example in America, what the competition to KFC is there. I know you have KFC of course, but it'd be great to find out. Maybe leave a comment. So guys, just a little review about this, and next time I might try that with gravy. It probably tastes good. So Red Rooster, not too bad. Might give it another go. I'd eat this again. Not a bad little meal for the price, so might do another one day on Red Rooster. Remember guys, never can be too Aussie. Hooroo.